are going to love the 2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, front and rear splash guards, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.